Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is May 18th. I want to start things off today by making sure that everyone gets registered for the Ag Leaders webinar series that is tomorrow evening. We're going to have Mike Cavanaugh on with us, an agronomist, going over a lot of good information for you guys. It's going to be very beneficial for you. We're going to give you a lot of good information. So get online, get registered for that. That is tomorrow. Now, we've got the grain starting off a little higher today. Corn up 3, beans right now about 5 cents higher, wheat up 7. So continuing to push a little higher for that wheat. There's still more rains that came across these winter wheat areas, keeping concern for condition issues. So potential poor quality, but it's enough also to see some short covering and getting some of the funds that have been extremely short to just get back to par. So we may get some more upside yet for the wheat if we do continue to see some short covering here this week. Now, we've got corn and beans a little higher. We've got planting progress out later on this afternoon, expecting 85, somewhere close to 85% for corn and 50% for beans. 5-year average is 76.38. So we'll have to see what happens here later on this afternoon. But we do have the next basically 5 days. We've got an open forecast through most of the Midwest. Lots going to get done, lots going to get finished here within these next 5 days. And that may keep a little pressure on the markets earlier this week if we start to keep that as a focus. If this wheat does continue to go higher, maybe we see a little more short covering out of corn as well and try to bring that up a little bit. But we do have an open forecast we're going to have to watch as well. Looking at livestock on Friday, 161 trade, light trade late on Friday in Nebraska or in Kansas. We had a 160 in Nebraska, so 255 to 257 dressed. So I think we're probably going to start off maybe a little higher this morning from that news. Something else, though, in cattle this week, we do have a cattle on feed report that is on Friday, so we'll be looking forward to that here by the end of the week. Hogs, a little profit taken there on Friday. Still, charts look pretty good right now. Still have some good support underneath of us, but really watch that cash market. Probably going to see some back and forth trade early this morning. Looking at some of these other markets, stock market down just a little bit this morning, down 11. The dollar, though, 50 cents higher, so we're finding a little bit of a recovery. Can we hold that today, or will we give that back like we've seen before? But crude oil, 50 cents higher, and the metals relatively quiet. Give us a call if you have any questions whatsoever. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or on the web at allendale-inc.com. Have a great day. Get registered for that webinar. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.